The theory of life after death has got to be the biggest misconception in the history of mankind. Granted, it's a highly efficient way of placating those in bereavement after the loss of a loved one. But it's a misconception of epic proportion and, in my opinion, does far more harm than good. Moreover, it has been the energy to fuel organized religion with the ability to withstand the test of time. Even as humanity evolves to higher levels of cognitive perception, this belief in a higher power and a life after death prevails and reverberates regardless of race, color, or creed. Common sense would dictate that after any mortal being ceases to exist as a living, breathing entity, everything that was once alive simply returns to dust and recirculates back into the earth from whence it came. The belief that consciousness equates to having a spirit is another misconception that religion likes to portend. It makes more sense to acknowledge that consciousness is nothing more than energy, and that when a physical being ceases to exist, that energy dissipates into the environment, again, from whence it came. I believe that it would behoove mankind to relinquish the hereafter belief and replace it with the notion that we all have but one life to live and to make it count in the here and now. Furthermore, by allowing the notion that our mistakes will be forgiven by a higher power only serves to provide a convenient excuse to wash one's hands with the belief all will be fine and good if we ask God for forgiveness. This belief has withstood the test of time, for it is impossible to refute. One cannot disprove the teachings of the Church about life after death, for no one has managed to come back to lay claim against it. Simply because once you die, there is no path of return. Brilliant and convenient at the same time.